All right, ladies, I'd like to know what you wanted to get out of your Botox and filler training, and how do you feel about our training now that it's done?
I guess I'll start and I'll say that I wanted a great trainer to come out to somewhere local and give us some advanced techniques and tips, and we definitely got that and way more, and we would like Rochelle to come back in August.
So I came to get training on lip fillers, and I got that plus more, and just tips and tricks on how to inject. So it was definitely appreciated.
I wanted to get some advanced radiesse training, advanced Botox training, which I got with the masseters and the chin. And Rochelle, you were amazing. You were so patient with us, and we really appreciate it. You came all the way to Philly, and thank you so much for helping us get better. We really appreciate it. And I think I got everything out of the training that I needed to get out.
We hope to see you soon.
I thank you. It was my pleasure.